Good morning, sunshine. Ever wonder why some days you're firing on all cylinders and others you're stuck in a fog? The answer might be hiding in your pillow. Welcome to Science Simplified. Today, we're cracking the code on sleep. Did you know losing just 1 hour of sleep can drop your focus by 30%? Buckle up! We'll explore how sleep supercharges your brain, busts myths, and gives you the energy to conquer your day. We're diving deep into the cosmos of sleep, and trust me, it's more fascinating than a black hole. Sleep isn't just downtime. It's your brain's ultimate reset button. Think of it like this. Your brain is a high-performance engine. You wouldn't run your car 24/7 without an oil change, right? Sleep is your brain's pit stop. During sleep, your brain gets busy cleaning house. It clears out toxins linked to Alzheimer's, those pesky amyloid plaques, like a cosmic vacuum cleaner tidying up space debris. But that's not all. While you're catching those Z's, your brain is busy strengthening memory, like a supercomputer backing up its hard drive. Every experience, every fact you learn, sleep makes sure it sticks. And get this, sleep even boosts creativity. It's like your brain goes on a solo mission to the far reaches of the universe, coming back with out-of-this-world ideas. Don't believe me? Google's famous 20% time policy, where engineers can work on their own projects, was inspired by the power of REM sleep. And here's the kicker. People who consistently get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, they don't just feel better, they live longer, happier lives. It's like they've unlocked a secret level of existence. So, if you're skimping on sleep to get more done, you're actually sabotaging yourself. It's like trying to launch a rocket without enough fuel. You're not going to reach orbit. Let's break down the VIPs of sleep REM, where dreams happen, and deep sleep, your body's repair crew. REM sleep, that's where things get really interesting. Your brain is buzzing with activity, almost as if you're awake. Your eyes dart back and forth, you have vivid dreams, and your brain is busy making connections, sparking creativity. Remember those Google engineers? Their REM-inspired ideas led to groundbreaking innovations like Gmail and Google Maps. Now, deep sleep, that's where the real magic happens. Your body goes into repair mode, muscles are rebuilt, hormones are balanced, and your immune system gets a much-needed boost. It's like your body goes into a deep meditative state, restoring itself from the inside out. Miss out on deep sleep, and you'll crave junk food like it's your job. Your body needs energy to compensate for the lack of repair. And then there's light sleep, the transition phase. It's like your brain is warming up for the main event, getting ready for the deep dive into REM and deep sleep. Think of it as the launch sequence before a rocket blasts off into space. Each stage of sleep plays a crucial role in keeping your mind and body in tip-top shape. But here's the thing about sleep stages. They're not a one-size-fits-all deal. Just like stars have different sizes and luminosities, our sleep cycles can vary. Factors like age, stress levels, and even what you ate for dinner can influence how much time you spend in each stage. The key is to understand the importance of each stage and strive for a balance. REM sleep for those creative breakthroughs and memory consolidation, deep sleep for muscle repair, hormone regulation, and a strong immune system, and light sleep for that essential transition phase. So, next time you're drifting off, remember you're embarking on a fascinating journey through the different stages of sleep. Embrace the power of REM, deep sleep, and light sleep, and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. Ever pulled an all-nighter cramming for an exam, only to blank out on everything you thought you learned? Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the scientific lowdown: sleep cycles act like a save button for your brain. Think of it like downloading information from the internet. You wouldn't just leave it in your downloads folder, would you? You'd save it to your hard drive, organize it into folders, maybe even back it up. That's what sleep does for your memories. During REM sleep, your hippocampus, the memory center of your brain, replays the day's lessons. It's like watching a highlight reel of everything you learned. Meanwhile, your cortex, the thinking part of your brain, is busy filing those memories away for long-term storage. It's like having a super-efficient librarian organizing all the information in your brain. A study at Harvard showed students who took a nap after learning new information retained 20% more than those who didn't. That's a significant advantage. especially when you're trying to ace that next exam or impress your boss with your newfound knowledge. Sleep isn't just about resting your body. It's about giving your brain the downtime it needs to process and consolidate information. It's like giving your brain a chance to catch its breath and make sense of everything it's taken in. So next time you're struggling to remember something or feeling overwhelmed by new information, remember the power of sleep. A good night's rest can be the difference between forgetting everything and acing that exam. Sleep is your secret weapon for learning and memory. Chapter 4. The surprising link between sleep and your mood. Let's talk about mood, because who doesn't want to feel like a rocket ship blasting off to happiness? Well, here's the deal. Sleep deprivation is like a bad mood on steroids. Remember that emotional control center in your brain, the amygdala? When you're sleep deprived, your amygdala goes haywire. It's like someone cranked up the volume on your emotions, and suddenly everything seems 10 times more annoying. Studies have shown that sleep loss makes you 60% more reactive to stress. That means even minor inconveniences like a traffic jam or a spilled cup of coffee can send you spiraling into a rage. Ever snapped at someone over something trivial and then thought, "Wow, where did that come from?" Yeah, blame it on the sleep loss. But here's the kicker. Sleep deprivation doesn't just make you grumpier. It actually impairs your decision-making abilities. It's like your brain's risk assessment center goes offline. You're more likely to make impulsive decisions, like gambling double down on a bad hand or making a risky investment. So if you want to feel happier, make smarter decisions, and generally be a more pleasant person to be around, prioritize your sleep. A well-rested brain is a happy brain, and a happy brain makes better choices. Chapter 5. Sleep Myths Busted, Separating Fact from Fiction. Let's face it, the world is full of sleep myths, those persistent little fibs that keep us from getting the rest we deserve. But fear not, fellow sleep enthusiasts, because we're about to debunk those myths with the power of science. Myth number 1, I can survive on 5 hours of sleep. Oh really? While some people seem to naturally require less sleep, the vast majority of us need 7 to 9 hours for optimal functioning. Even just 1 hour of sleep debt can significantly impair your cognitive abilities, mood, and overall health. It's like trying to run a marathon on an empty stomach. You might start strong, but you'll quickly crash and burn. Myth number 2, alcohol helps you sleep. Sure, that nightcap might make you feel drowsy, but here's the catch. Alcohol disrupts your sleep cycle, particularly the all-important REM and deep sleep stages. It's like going to a concert and only listening to the opening act. You miss out on the main event. So, while you might fall asleep faster, you'll wake up feeling groggy and unrested. Myth number 3. You can catch up on sleep on the weekends. Ah, the classic weekend sleep-in, a tempting solution for those weekday sleep deficits. But here's the hard truth. While some recovery is possible, sleep debt is like credit card debt. The longer you let it accumulate, the harder it is to pay off, and the more it costs you in the long run. Consistently shortchanging your sleep can lead to serious health problems, so it's best to make sleep a priority every night. So there you have it. 3 common sleep myths busted wide open. Now that you know the truth, spread the word and help us create a world where everyone prioritizes sleep and reaps its incredible benefits. Chapter 6. Sleep Hygiene Hacks, Upgrading Your Sleep Game. Ready to unlock your sleep superpower and wake up feeling like you can conquer the galaxy? Here are some science-backed sleep hygiene tips to help you upgrade your sleep game from mediocre to magnificent. Tip number 1, stick to a schedule. Remember that internal clock I mentioned earlier, your circadian rhythm? Well, it thrives on consistency. Go to bed and wake up around the same time every day, even on weekends, to keep your sleep-wake cycle in sync. It's like setting your internal alarm clock for optimal rest and rejuvenation. Tip number 2, banish blue light before bed. Those glowing screens on your phone, tablet, and computer emit blue light, a sneaky sleep saboteur that suppresses melatonin production. Melatonin is your body's natural sleep hormone, so staring at screens before bed is like telling your brain to stay awake. Aim for a digital detox at least an hour before bed to give your brain the signal that it's time to wind down. Tip number 3. Create a sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a haven for sleep, a cool, dark, and quiet oasis where you can escape the stresses of the day. Invest in blackout curtains to block out any light, and consider using a white noise machine to drown out distracting sounds. Make sure your bedroom is well ventilated and keep the temperature comfortably cool, around 65 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal sleep. Tip number 4. Make time for relaxation. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to let stress and anxiety rob us of sleep. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your evening routine, such as taking a warm bath, reading a book, or practicing gentle yoga or meditation. These activities signal to your body that it's time to unwind and prepare for sleep. Tip number 5. If you're still tossing and turning, try the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale deeply for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale slowly for a count of 8. Repeat this cycle a few times, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your mind and body relax, paving the way for a peaceful night's sleep. Remember, improving your sleep hygiene is a journey, not a destination. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 of these tips into your routine and gradually add more as you go. Your body will thank you for it. Outro. Sweet dreams, everyone. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's your ultimate life hack. Whether you're chasing dreams or deadlines, better sleep means a better you. Don't forget to grab Why We Sleep in the Sleep Revolution below for deeper insights. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can help you thrive, one science-backed tip at a time. Sweet dreams, everyone.